tools, and let me show you how you can create a building. When you click on create a new building, you name your building. Let's say main office. Then you have the address here. Okay, then you have the map here, and we are using the time zone, so we have accurate execution of schedule profiles of all time-related functionalities in the enterprise. The referral code can be left blank. Of course, not everybody has a referral code. Then you choose the type of the building, if it's either residential or commercial. Let's choose commercial for now. And then you have all this information that it's optional. Your clients can choose not to fill them, but they can fill the information if they would like. And then you have the heating and cooling type, energy source, different options here. And then every building can have a different structure. This is why in the beginning I was showing you a building, let's say without floors or without spaces or without rooms. A building can either have structure with building, floors, then spaces, and then rooms, or you can skip one of these assets. So we can skip floors. Let's show how it works without floors. So my building doesn't have floors. It has only one floor. And then I have spaces. Yeah, I do have spaces. Here you can name the different spaces, or you can just use one of the predefined options here. But let's say I have offices in my main office building. And then you click on next, and then you have the option to add multiple offices at once, like let's say 10. I have 10 offices on my one floor building. You can change the names however you would like them to. If you made a mistake, you can delete them, you can add a new one, and so on. And then you have the option to decide if you want rooms in your offices or you don't want rooms. I'm going to choose yeah. And I'm going to create a room here in Office 3. I'm going to have 3 rooms, and the other ones can be left blank. So basically you have the full control of the structure. And if a building doesn't have spaces or rooms, or you don't want to use them, you can just leave them blank, and you can decide not to have this. And afterwards, you have the option to manage your building, and you should navigate to the building and then add devices and control them.